So now, all of them would like to talk to you for a bit. Please listen to them. So I request all the nominees to come one by one and speak a few words.
I am Yashraj D from class 9th A, honored to stand before you as a nominee for School Prefect Boys. As you all know, this year is the 20th year of our prestigious institution, and I would love to make this year a special one. I am filled with a sense of possibility and excitement for what we can accomplish together. Therefore, I need your help in form of your precious votes. I would like to thank the school faculty for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
I, Archit Karjagi, from 9th B, am contesting for the post of school prefect. I'm planning to do the same. My aim for this year is to make everyone the best version of themselves. I will act as a voice of all the students and make sure everyone is heard. So come on, let's all work together and achieve great heights. We can make this year a wonderful year and make this school a better place to learn, grow and play. I am Archit Karjagi and I am committed to be your next school captain. Thank you.
I am Vamshika of class 9B, contesting for the post of school captain girls. I am willing to be the fellow of support to anyone and everyone here. As you all already know, I am a very good listener and I am super trustworthy. You can come to me anytime with your thoughts and concerns and I'll be sure to make your voices heard. I believe that this year would be a fun one. Let's create long-lasting memories together. I hope all of your votes would be in my favor. Make a wise choice, cast your votes in my favor. Thank you all.
I am Vanya Vatsal from class 8C. Firstly, I would like to thank the school for giving me this opportunity by nominating me to be the school captain. It's truly an honor to represent the school as captain. More than a leader, I would like to be your friend. Our school has tremendous potentials in academics, arts and sports. I believe in freedom for every human being to express their own uniqueness. So as your school captain, I would like to harness this potential and empower the students to be the best version of themselves.
My name is Yashash and I am from 9C, nominated for school sports captain. Leader, I believe that leaders should be disciplined, carry responsibilities and have a vision. Sports is a very important feature for our physical and mental skills. So my goal of this year is to provide opportunities to each and everyone in the sports and motivate them. So your vote is a vote for a change. Thank you.
My name is Gautam Goda P from class 8B, here standing as the nominee for the sports captain boys for the academic year 2024-2025. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers and the school management for giving me a wonderful opportunity and I will use it wisely. My aim for this year is to provide each and everyone opportunities and raise your concerns and opinions related to sports. I'll encourage and motivate you all in all kinds of sports. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that with your support and my effort, we shall reach a great height. Thank you.
I am Niriksha of class 8B, nominated and contesting in this year's elections for the post of sports captain girls. So firstly, I would like to thank all my teachers and the school management for this wonderful opportunity to prove myself and go on this wonderful journey. I am willing to put my 100% effort and commitment into this, but I'll need your support. I'll need you to put your faith in me and let me be your voice for this academic year so we can achieve bigger things and bring out the spirit of sports in each one of you and work as a team, because after all, they do say teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you.
Myself Charitra, I am standing here for the post of school sports captain. Sports is fun, isn't it? You all play or like to watch one or the other sport. Sport does not build a character, it reveals a character, is my motive. Sports can bring out a new version of yourself and your best character. I assure you all to be a good captain. I will not disappoint you and will always make time for your concerns. Thank you all.
I am Tanush from class 8C and I have been nominated to be Banu House captain of this year. Okay, I'm not gonna drag the speech, alright? So just hang out. Okay, a leader is the one who leads the way for everyone. He is the one who changes the path for a better future. A leader is the one who always supports his people. So vote for me and I'll take Banu to even greater heights.
My name is Sai Manoj and I have been nominated as the Banu House captain for this year's school elections. As you all know, being a house captain is not just a title. It's a responsibility, a commitment, and an opportunity to lead and inspire. To reach your goals, discipline is a key aspect. Hence, as a leader, it's my sole duty to be disciplined and inspire all of you to follow the same. I will make sure to inculcate discipline in each one of you and also try to give all of you equal opportunities in the field that you excel in. If you have any concerns, you can approach me and I will be happy to help. Together, let's make Banu the House of the Year for the second consecutive year. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
I'm Pragati Prashant Desai of class 9th B and I'm honored to be nominated as the Banu House captain. I stand before you not just as a candidate, but as someone who really cares of their house and its member. If elected, I'll make sure that there is dedication, unity and commitment of inclusivity. My goal is to make sure that every member in the Banu is valued and heard. In choosing me, you're choosing dedication, enthusiasm and commitment of excellence. As Chitrakuta is completing his 20 years, let's make it even more memorable by joining hands and making Banu the House of the Year. Are you all ready with me? Thank you.
I am Sunanda from class 9th A and I'm honored to be nominated for the post of Banu House Captain Girls. I would like to thank the school management for giving me such a wonderful opportunity and believing in me. If elected, I promise to bring energy, dedication and creativity in every challenge and event. Let's aim high, work hard and make this year an unforgettable one. I would like to ask for your support in the form of your votes. I will end the speech by saying that the sky is a daily reminder that everything is possible. Thank you.
My name is Jitesh from class 9th A and I am standing in the election for the post of Agni Leader Boys. And if elected, I promise to listen, act and work according to your concerns and to implement your ideas. And let's make the house the best it can be and I will make sure that the Agni House will win this year for sure. And I'll thank the school staff for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
My name is Sudhir and today I'm standing as a candidate for Agni House Boys. Leadership to me is empowering everyone and motivating them to reach their best and their maximum potential. As your representative, I will work hard to address your ideas, address your concerns and make Agni the best house of the year. This year will be a great year for Agni. Thank you all.
I am Shravya Shanbhog from class 8C and I am very happy to say that I was chosen as one of the contestants for the captaincy of Agni House. I'll be really happy and very grateful if all of you will vote on the election day. I will be your biggest motivator and will always be available for you. Thank you all.
I am Diyali Sandeep Patel, contesting for the post of Agni House Captain. I'm super excited about this and thank you to everyone who's made this possible. Today, I'll tell you one thing. I believe that communication is the key. Together, let's reach our fullest potential and make Agni reach new heights, be it sports day, exhibition or art. Let's excel together. And please do vote for me, because I'll be a person whom you can approach anytime for city talks or some serious idea empowerment. So vote for me. I am Diyali and I promise to stay by your side always. Thank you.
7th June was a very special day for me as I was elected as the candidate for YU leadership. As I've been a class monitor for many years, I think I have leadership qualities. I'm confident and I believe in myself. If all the YU members believe in me, together we can make the YU House the House of the Year. I would like to end up my speech by giving a quote. If you want to buy anything without seeing the price tag, work hard, work hard without seeing the clock. Thank you.
I am Naren from class 8C, here contesting as a Vayu House Captain boys. So, you might be thinking that a leader is the one who tells you what to do and what not to do. It's just not that. A leader is the one who tells you that you have to be good and you have to be disciplined. So, if you all vote for me, I will make sure that you all are disciplined and hear your voice and make our house the house of the year. Thank you.
Myself, Varnika M. Fatness, from class 9 standard A section, standing for the prestigious post of Vayu House Girls Captain. Firstly, I like to thank the school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and of course my fellow friends for helping me deserve this position. I'm going to make sure that Vayu is going to become the house of the year, so I'm going to try my best. So all the Vayu people, are you ready? So how's the Josh Vayu? Whom are you going to vote for? It's V for Varnika, V for Vayu. Whom are you going to vote for? Thank you.
I am Preksha Niranjan, standing for the post of Vayu House Captain. Leadership is not about being in charge. It is about taking care of those in your charge. My vision is to do my level best to bring out the best in each one of you sitting right here. I'll be an approachable leader and also open to all your suggestions. Your concerns will be heard and voiced out. Friends, this year, Vayu is going to get the House of the Year title no matter what. For this, I just need your support, dedication, and most important of all, your precious votes. So, are you ready to vote for me? Thank you.
For the people who know me, I am Atharva Anand. And for those who don't know me, I am still Atharva Anand, contesting for the post of Jala House Captain Boys. So, why should you all vote for me? It's because, first, I possess a very good leadership quality. I have been class monitor every year and I have learned how to handle people. And first of all, let me begin by saying that I will give you all 100% attention and I will make sure you are 100% heard. And you will all get a chance in sports day, exhibition, no matter what. If you don't get a chance, you can always come to me and approach me. Thank you.
I am Shreyas, here nominated for the post of Jala House Captain Boys. So, if you don't know me, I possess very good leadership qualities and I would like for Jala to win the House of the Year. This year is very important as it is the 20th year of Chitrakuta, and I would like this year to be full of water. By what I mean is I want Jala to win this and I will put my full efforts to make Jala the House of the Year. So, I am Shreyas and please vote for me. Thank you.
Myself Adyadi, standing as the Jala House nominee. A school provides the first opportunity to give wings to our dreams. So I thank all my lovely teachers and the school management for giving me this opportunity. As a potential captain, I envision a place where every student's voice is valued and heard. Thank you.
I am Tanvija Iyengar from grade 8C and I have been nominated for the Jala House Captain Girls. Firstly, I would like to thank all my teachers who have given me this opportunity and of the belief that I am capable of being the Jala House Captain. This is a really huge responsibility and I'm really glad to have gotten it. I assure you that I'm gonna give my best in it. We as a team can bring in the change of the working of the Jala House and make it the best of all facets. So please cast your precious votes to me.